What's the meaning of capoeira? Capoeira. Capoeira.
Capoeira. Capoeira. Capoeira is a Brazilian martial art that combines elements of dance, acrobatics, and music. It originated in the 16th century during the African slave trade in Brazil and was used by slaves to defend themselves against their oppressors. Capoeira is characterized by its fluid, rhythmic movements and requires a high level of physical fitness, strength, and agility. The result is a captivating and dynamic display of athleticism and cultural heritage that has spread beyond Brazil and gained global recognition as a unique and exciting art form.